is given these beautiful yew timber slices. I didn't personally cut them down, but they're all about 7-8 inches thick. So first thing I'm going to do is I want to make them a little bit more manageable because they're wet and very heavy. So I'm going to cut them in half. So get 3.5 inches per piece. And after I let it dry out and I flatten them, I'm talking about 2.5 inches thick. So nice, good sized chunks. Really beautiful wood, stunning grain. It's not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but it's what I'm going to do is just cut them. I need to seal them. So here I'm using exterior PVA glue. For me it works great. Put on one coat, let it dry, flip it over, do another coat, let them sit down for a year or two, and they are ready to go. This was a bit of a backbreaking job getting to the workshop, but they are lovely and the timber is just gorgeous.